This 2020 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton 25 Res is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 28 feet 10 inches in length and features sleep 6, microwave, spare tire kit, water heater, oven, skylight, air conditioning, LP detector, slide-out, smoke detector, leveling jacks, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton 25 Res is 7,582 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.